Check out next 1965 GT350, and I think, Bill, this is the one you were talking about when the newer version in Wimbledon white with Guardsman blue stripes came across.
Yeah, open the show with this GT350.
Well, this is the car that started the legacy of the Carroll Shelby Magic and the Ford Mustang. The first year, 1965. K-Code Mustang, 271 horsepower, but bumped up by the folks at Shelby American, Los Angeles, California, to 306 horsepower, 4-speed transmission. These early cars, the 65s, very hard edge, bare bones, noisy and raucous, and folks loved it. Now, they did tone the car down beginning in 66.
Oh, yeah.
But these cars are incredibly collectible today. You ready for this? Reserves off at $410,000, Bill.
Yeah, this was the 443rd GT350 that they built back in 65 out of a little over 500 of the street versions. But you mentioned a couple of the things about these cars that were a little bit sketchy for people. Those side exhausts were 1 year only because the car would fill with fumes if you had your windows open.
Internet the high bid at $435,000.
Wow, look at that. 450.
500.
Gonna be $500,000?
485. 485. 475. 485. No?
Wow.
Internet, $475,000.
Wow. And you know, when you think back, not that long ago, this would have bought you an R model, one of those 3 dozen GT350s, but they're $1 million plus now. So the street cars are well into 6 figures.
475,000.
All right,